Yeah, aren't you? Gotta tell the truth.
Yeah, gotta tell the truth.
We're being towed in, look. Our engine's gone sick. This lovely couple of it's a little towing which is up the river. Such a shame. Such a beautiful day to be out on the water.
Sometimes things don't go to plan, but
No.
you can't stress about it.
So, just get towed in and go in.
Yeah. Well, we broke down, started oaring the oars. We thought it was going to take a month of Sundays to get back, only 2 k's from Paradise Point, but these wonderful people have stopped and they're towing us.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh well, these things happen. We've still got a smile on our face.
Worst things happen at sea, you know. Things have happened at sea.
Cheese!
We broke down.
Day 2. Hopefully we won't break down today after yesterday. Big shout out to Whitewater Marine. We took it straight along there. It ended up just being the clip that attaches the fuel container to the engine, just a split O-ring. He cut it off, changed it, no charge, did it all for us, and working sweet this morning. Started straight away.
Morning.
So fingers crossed we don't break down today.
Yeah.
When you launch off Paradise Point, you as you come out, if you turn right, you come past Sovereign Island, which is all these absolutely humongous houses over there. That's where all millionaires live. All their houses backing onto water, humongous. Right. We're going to turn into it. Slow right down. Ooh. Oh, not too bad.
Slow down.
Ooh. Okay, so we broke down yesterday, but when life is jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten. And that's a laugh and dance and smile and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life.